Most people take vitamins to stay healthy and look younger, right? But here's the shocker. One common vitamin, the same one millions of Canadians and Americans take daily, could actually be speeding up aging, damaging your skin, and even harming your organs. And chances are, it's sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. By the end of this video, you'll know which vitamin to watch out for, the hidden signs it's causing damage, and safe ways to protect your health without giving up essential nutrients. Number 1. Too much of a good thing can backfire. This isn't about skipping vitamins altogether. Your body needs them to function. But many people assume more is better, and that's where the danger starts. For example, taking mega doses of vitamin A over time can lead to premature aging, dry skin, brittle hair, and even liver damage. Your body stores vitamin A in fat, so when you take too much, it builds up silently, sometimes for years, before symptoms appear. This is especially concerning for people who eat fortified cereals, dairy, and supplements at the same time without realizing they're doubling or tripling their intake. If your skin looks constantly dry or you notice unexplained fatigue, this could be your clue. Number 2. Vitamin B6, the hidden nerve saboteur. Vitamin B6 is essential for brain health, but taking too much through supplements can actually damage your nerves. This is surprisingly common in North America, where multivitamins and energy drinks often contain high doses. Early warning signs include tingling, burning, or heaviness in your hands and feet. Left unchecked, this can lead to long-term balance issues and make simple tasks, like walking or even holding a cup, difficult. The scariest part? These symptoms can mimic aging-related problems. So many people don't realize their vitamin habit is to blame. Number 3. The antioxidant myth. Vitamin E gone wrong. Vitamin E is often marketed as an anti-aging powerhouse, but here's what most people don't know. Taking it in synthetic, high-dose supplement form has been linked to increased risk of certain cancers and strokes in recent studies. When vitamin E comes from whole foods like nuts, seeds, and spinach, it protects your cells. But in pill form, too much of it can tip the balance, causing oxidative stress, the exact opposite of what you want. If you're already eating a healthy diet, you probably don't need a separate supplement, especially if it pushes you past safe limits. So, how do you stay safe while still getting the benefits of these vitamins? Get tested first. A simple blood test can reveal whether you actually need supplementation. Choose food first. Whole foods provide vitamins in safe, balanced amounts your body can handle naturally. If you take supplements, check the labels carefully. Many daily multivitamins already contain 100% of your recommended daily value. Taking extra pills on top of that can push you into dangerous territory. And finally, listen to your body. Sudden skin changes, fatigue, or unexplained nerve sensations are signals to get checked out. Vitamins can be powerful allies for your health, but too much of the wrong one can silently age you faster. Stay informed, stay balanced, and your body will thank you for years to come. Subscribe now for more science-backed health tips to keep you feeling young and strong.